The Skoda Fabia III from 2014 to 2021 uses a manual wiper system controlled by a stalk on the left side of the steering column. This video explains how to operate the front wipers, adjust speeds, and use the washer control effectively, since there have been no factory updates and the system is still in use as of 2026. To turn the wipers off, rotate the stalk downward to the base position. For intermittent wiping, push the stalk upward to the first position. This mode is perfect for light rain or mist. A ring on the stalk adjusts the delay between wipes, ranging from 2 to 18 seconds. Push the stalk upward to the second position for continuous, slow wiping, ideal for moderate rain. For heavy rain, push to the third position for rapid wiping. Select the appropriate speed based on the intensity of the rain to maintain clear visibility. To use the windshield washer, pull the stalk toward the steering wheel. This activates the washer fluid spray, and the wipers will automatically cycle 1 or 2 times to clear the windshield. The system briefly operates the wipers while spraying to ensure clear visibility. Ensure the washer fluid reservoir under the hood is filled with a mixture of water and washer fluid to prevent freezing in cold climates. The reservoir holds about 3 liters. Important safety note: avoid using the washer on dry glass to prevent scratching. Always pair washer use with wiper activation. Important safety tip: never use the washer control on a dry windshield. This can scratch the glass and reduce visibility during driving. Using the washer without wipers can create scratches on the glass surface, as shown in this close-up view. Always use the washer fluid in conjunction with the wipers to ensure smooth and safe cleaning. The fluid lubricates the wipers and helps remove dirt without damaging the glass. Remember this tip for safe driving in your Skoda Fabia III. For optimal wiper performance, replace blades every 6 to 12 months, or immediately when you notice streaking that reduces visibility. Choose OEM blades or Bosch equivalents for the best compatibility and performance with your Skoda Fabia III. Regular blade replacement ensures clear visibility during inclement weather, helping maintain safe driving conditions. In urban settings, intermittent mode is commonly used due to traffic spray. In rural areas, fast speed is often preferred for sudden heavy showers. Be prepared to adjust wiper speeds based on your driving environment and weather conditions. Proper wiper use can significantly improve safety by maintaining clear visibility on the road. Regular maintenance, including timely blade replacement every 6 to 12 months, is crucial to prevent streaking and ensure optimal performance. While the Fabia III uses a manual system, unlike modern automated ones, understanding its operation ensures safe driving in all weather conditions. For snowy climates, consider winter-grade blades to avoid motor failure and costly repairs.